today's video, I'm on the MS River Governess. I'm gonna sail from Vienna to Bucharest on the Danube River, and I'm gonna live in this ship for the next 11 days. I just arrived today and I'm here as a tour leader like always. I have 38 guests with me on the ship, and it's a fantastically beautiful ship. So I want to spend this video showing you how does this MS River Governess look like, and let's start with my room. So this is the hall and I am in room 211, which is a room with a French balcony. Let's go in first. Let's see here. I have some different cabinets, and it's normal for me when I'm on these river cruises for so long that I unpack everything, so I'm gonna do that right after I fill my room. Then I have the toilet in here. I'll say this is quite spacious for a ocean cruise ship. We have the sink here. I'm here too. Hi, this is me. I have some cabinets here. I can put my stuff even more down here. Even more here. So a lot of room for my stuff. And then I have my shower over here. Let's see how I open that. Like this. This is the shower. Plenty enough for me. Okay, and then we come to the main area here. This is my bed, very big, beautiful bed because I'm just one person. Cabinets next to the bed where I can put stuff inside. A phone, so I can call all my guests and say goodnight to them. I don't do that, but it would be fun to do. Just call and say goodnight from the 2 liter. Not gonna do that. Every day I get a bottle of water here, and there's also a bucket so you can pick up ice. I think this is for the air conditioning system, and it's a little cold, which is perfect because it's surprisingly hot. It's 29 degrees in Vienna today, and we are only in May, so perfect that I can cool down the room. More cabinets and a desk that I can sit at. A television. And then the good part of this room is this French balcony, which all the rooms don't have. The bottom rooms don't have it. So I can open up like this and then say hi to my neighbors. I will take you now to see some other parts of the ship before the guest gets too active. Again, they just arrived, which means that they're normally a little bit sleepy. And I can show you the areas without any problems. Must remember my card. This is the hall area, which looks the same on all 3 floors. There is a coffee lounge, there is a bar lounge, there's a restaurant, there's a rooftop, there's a big reception in the middle, and then there is around 60 or 70 rooms. In here is the restaurant, where we will be eating lunch and dinner. A beautiful wine cabinet, and the other half of the restaurant, so quite a big restaurant. This up here is the top floor. Is where the 300 number of rooms are, but besides that the rooms are exactly the same. It's just 1 floor up, that's the only difference. And at the end of this hall is a coffee place with a fantastic view of the back of the ship. So this is the coffee and tea lounge of the back of the ship. You can see there's a fantastic view outside, and 24/7 coffee or tea if someone wants, you know, a coffee at 3 AM. Next up, I want to show you the Sundeck. So a blocked off area here, that's very normal, all of them, where they can store different things. Besides that, I will say in their defense, it's the first cruise on the season, so not everything is clean and ready. Sunbeds, which I'm very excited about, because last time I sailed, I was sailing from Bucharest to Vienna on the Kleine Prinz, and it was winter time. It was so rainy and so cold. We only had good weather after we came to Budapest, so you could definitely not use the sun chairs there. This trip is, according to the weather forecast, gonna be super hot, which means that I'll most likely sit up here with a book or with my phone, listening to some music and just having a fantastic time. And then we come now to the bottom of the ship, where there's the glass down to the reception, a covered area over here with chairs and tables. This is where the captain is. Backside here, where there is a jacuzzi that I'm thinking will be opened later on. Again, it's the first day of the season. It takes a minute to get everything ready. Okay, now I'm gonna go down to the bar area. So this is the bar area. And here's the bar. Here we have the receptionist, my cruise manager and my new best friend Amy, receptionists, staff that works here, and that's the entire ship. You have now seen the entire ship, a very beautiful ship, a very nice ship. The staff here is also super nice, very international. There's some British, some Turkish, some Serbian, Romanian. I'm not even sure exactly where everybody is from yet. I have around 30 minutes, then there's gonna be a safety briefing, which is standard on all river cruise ships. The captain introduces the crew, they tell us how to put on the life vest, a lot of security information, general information, and who to contact in what situations. So that's in 30 minutes, it's always on the first day. As I know, they're not even allowed to sail till they've done this information. We're not gonna sail till tomorrow, but it's still nice for the guests to have this information today. I also just done a short briefing for my guests to tell them about who I am, what kind of tours they're gonna do, and different information that is relevant to them. Which also means that I haven't been to the cabin since I showed you to it. It's still completely unpacked. But I always unpack on the first day because I'm gonna be on the Danube for 11 days and I don't want to live in a suitcase when there is this much storage. So I'm gonna unpack now and enjoy that all my things are in the correct place for the next 11 days. I have now unpacked my room, so let me just quickly show that to you. I have put my pajamas and I'm gonna plug in this plug because I've decided to sleep on this side of the bed because I can just see myself waking up in the morning and then just looking out on the Danube. So that's definitely the side I want to be on. Unsorted over there. Haven't quite set up my office yet, but I have the stuff ready here and made this one my everything cabin. So my raincoat and my equipment for the camera, a little candy and so on. Then I have the closet here where I put up my clothes nicely. So most of my clothes here, my relaxing clothes, my caps and my scarves. Here is also, I found out, a mirror. And then I have my t-shirts, my tops, my pants and my shorts, plus the safety box is there. It has been a weird trip because we are already on day number 10. So I took day number 1, I filmed the entire ship for you, and then I just put the camera away and time flew by because I'm here as a tour leader working and the weeks just flew away. So I will say a few words about the ship because again I've been here 10 days. It's a very cozy ship, it's a really nice ship. We've been very lucky with great weather, so we've been a lot on the Sundeck, in sun chairs and in sun lounge, and we get food, fantastic food on the ship. Morning buffet, we get 4 meals at lunch and 4 meals at dinner, and every single bite I have had has been absolutely amazing. As you have seen, there is a coffee lounge at the other end that people uses, also sit there and play different games. I love my room, it's very spacious. I love that I have this French balcony door. One night when we were sailing out of Bratislava, I actually made a bed here on the floor. I opened the balcony door and just enjoyed being so close to the river while we were sailing. Besides that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more about ocean cruising, river cruising, traveling solo, or the life as a tour leader, then is my channel you need to subscribe to. I'm super much looking forward to making a new video from you from a new river, which will be the Rhine.